So in today's video, we're going to be replacing the whole wiper blade from 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord. It's the same length. These are the part numbers. I'll leave the link in the description box. So these are the aftermarket. It actually looks nice, but when I had the original one, when I bought this car back in 2004 brand new, I was dumb enough to throw it away. Didn't know that all I had to do was replace the insert. But then looking at it, I didn't really like how they designed it. There's like an open gap right here, First, gonna lift up this arm. Now with pressure, just keep it straight like this and just pull this down. Should come loose. Like that. And then the passenger side, the same thing. Lift it up. Actually, just gonna lift it like this and then pull it forward. And just leave it up like that. And so this is the comparison. Of course, this is the aftermarket one, which is Michelin. But like I say, the original one has like a lot of open gaps right here where you just replace the insert. But I think these Accord, they look nice and sleeker. And of course, this right here, when you install it, is different from this. Okay, look at that. Now what we're gonna do is grab this. It's gonna go in this way. So it's a J hook. See, it's like a upside down J, but just gonna slide it in through here like that, and then just pull it up. And that's how we're gonna install it. So I got it on. It's self-explanatory. So when you take it out, you see this right here. This right here. You hear that? You just push that back, and then you just slide this forward. Basically, like I said, you grab this clip in the bottom, and then you just pull it forward. See how it slides out? Now you slide it in. That's how it looks like. So once that go in here, just keep on pulling it towards you until you hear a click. Then it's on. That's how it looks like. It actually looks pretty decent. Nice and sleek. Now we're going to go ahead and install the driver's side. So same process for the driver's side. It's going to be this way. So that hooks is going to go in the slot right here. And you're just going to pull it up until you hear a click. There you go. Look at it. It's nice and sleek. Compared to the original TL, I actually like this. The 2008 to 2012 Accord one fits good too. It's actually going to be like this. With this one, see how it's like, it's right here and then it's angled higher. So I think this is more effective. But this is how it looks like. I'm actually impressed, and it didn't take long for this installation. So if you want to do this conversion, save yourself a lot of money. And of course, when you replace the insert, you're replacing this right here. And it has like a metal, once you take this insert off, it has like a metal frame to keep it like rigid and snug. You could buy it from Amazon or eBay for like $20. It saves you a lot of money. And the headache just replacing the arm, the wiper blade every time. Just replace the insert. This is the insert right here. See, that's the insert. Once you take it out, it has a metal frame. I'll do a video on it later. When we have to replace the insert, I'll show you how to, replace it. Basically, you're just gonna slide this up. Comes right up. But that'll be next time for another video. But this, how you do the wiper blade conversion for a 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord on a 2004 to 2008 Acura TL. Thanks for watching.